I was born with eczema. Since I was little, I struggle with red skin, itching, and rough patches from scratching. When you are young, appearance can feel like everything, so I worried about my skin a lot. I went to the doctors and used steroid creams, which I didn't want to use. I also tried many lotions made for sensitive skin, but nothing really changed at the root. In my 20s, I started to change the way I approached my skin. Now I'm in my 40s, although I do have some spots and wrinkles here and there, people sometimes compliment my skin. I don't use expensive cosmetics, and I've never done the special cosmetic treatments. The cosmetic industry uses many kinds of marketing to encourage us to buy more and more products. But today, I want to share the mindset and practical method that help me stay grounded and not get pulled in by it. One idea completely changed the way I think about skin. Your skin is actually the largest organ in your body. When I heard that, my approach to skincare has changed fundamentally. Many people try to fix their skin only from the outside, like lotion, cream, and treatment, but over the years, I realized something very different. For me, when it comes to skin, about 20% is skincare and about 80% is inner care. What we eat, how we move, how we rest. All of these things show up on our skin. One of the biggest change for me was actually food. For a long time, I tried to fix my skin only from the outside. But when I started paying attention to what I eat every day, I noticed something interesting. My skin slowly began to change. In my daily life, I follow a traditional Japanese eating method called Ichiju-sansai. It's composed with one soup, one rice, one main dish with protein, and two small side dishes with vegetable. What I love about this way of eating is that it just naturally encourages us to have more balance. It supports food diversity, fermented foods, portion control, a good balance of protein, healthy fats, and carbohydrates. So instead of forcing strict diets, this way of eating simply supports the body with variety and balance. Over time, that makes a big difference. If you want to try this way of eating, I wrote the blog to explain deeper, more, so I'll put the link in the description box below. Movement is also very important for me, but I don't do extreme workouts. Instead, I focus on neat movement. Small movements throughout the day, walking, standing, stretching. These small daily movements support circulation and help the body function better. And the circulation supports the skin as well. Another important piece is sleep. And to be honest, this is something I'm still working on. Now that I'm in my 40s, my sleeping habits have changed little. It's actually a lot. I sometimes wake up in the middle of the night. I can also feel small signs of hormonal changes that many women experience as they approach menopause. So I'm not perfect at this, but even being aware of it and trying to support better sleep can make a big difference. When it comes to skincare itself, my approach is very simple. I try to keep my makeup very light. To be honest, I'm not very good at makeup, so I don't wear heavy makeup. Instead, I focus on protecting my skin, especially by wearing sunscreen. For cleansing, I try to avoid strong cleansers. Instead, I wash my face with a gentle foam cleanser that doesn't irritate my skin. For sensitive skin like myself, being gentle makes a big difference. I also try to avoid friction on my skin, and I try to keep things that touch my face very clean. For example, towels. Instead of using the same towel repeatedly, I often use paper towel so my skin always touches something clean. Another thing that I pay attention to is sun exposure. If I spend a lot of time in the sun, I try to eat more foods that contains vitamin A, C, E. So this is me from a couple days after I took this video. I forgot to introduce these hats. I always wear the hat whenever I plan to have a lot of exposure in sun like this. Yeah. And then I usually wear the sunglasses as well, like that. I might look a little weird, but I try to protect my face as much as possible. Yeah. I look so weird, do I? Wow. I didn't realize, I don't really see myself wearing the hat and the sunglasses, so this is my first time actually seeing myself wearing like this. I look a bit weird. But I don't care. I need to protect my skin. Okay. Another important thing that I learned is that what works for others may not work for you. Face masks, a good example. Many people use them frequently, especially in Japan. But when I use them, my skin becomes irritated. And when that happens, it can take about a week for my skin to calm down again. So I simply don't use them very often. Learning to listen to your own skin is very important. Over time, I stopped asking, how can I fix my skin quickly? Instead, I ask, what habits support my body 10 years from now? For me, skin is not just about beauty. It is often a reflection of how we live, what we eat, how we move, how we rest. All of these things show up on our skin. Earlier, I talked about the meal structure called Ichiju-sansai. Many people feel that cooking an Ichiju-sansai meal every day sounds difficult. But once you build the right system with efficient meal prepping and meal planning, it could actually become very simple and habituated. In my coaching, I support people who want to change their relationship with food. The process often looks like this. First, you understand where you are now, then you start noticing small positive changes in your body, and you begin to feel lighter in your mind. Cooking a variety of whole foods become more natural and enjoyable. And because you enjoy this new state, the habit naturally continues for a lifetime. My goal is to guide you to that state. I only work with the clients who can truly benefit from my support. So I always start with 15 minutes free call, just a personal call, you and me. So if you are interested, please check the description box. There's a link for the application form. Thanks a lot for watching and see you on the next one. Bye bye, mata ne!